Hello again. This is a new video. This time I'm gonna show you how to use the website I used today in class. This is ESLlab.com. Well, ESL-lab.com. So this is a listening website, and as you can see here on the screen, right, we have three different levels, and today in class we saw this one, student credit card. So let's click on it. It's gonna take you to, well, I'm gonna try to guide you through the whole website, the website. Okay, so the topic is a student credit card, and it's got here 5 points. The first one is the pre-listening exercise. This is really good because it's like a personal teacher, you see, and it structures a small class and it evaluates at the same time. So number one is a pre-listening, things you need to know before you go over the exercise. The second one is the listening exercise. The third one, it works vocabulary and grammar. Number 4, post-listening exercise. And finally, online investigation, which is something that I find amazing. And one of these days, I'm going to tell you more about this kind of exercise, the online investigations, also called web quests. And web quests, they are really well structured, so students can follow these instructions and learn more about everyday's life. Okay, so let's see what's next. It says level. The level is a medium level. The topic, student credit card. The type is a conversation. The speakers are man and a woman, and the length of the recording is 2 minutes. Okay, as you can see on the left side of the screen, you have got idioms. So today's idioms are dough, which is informal for money. Here's an example. I need more dough to pay off my credit card bill. The next one, have money to burn. And I bet you understand this one because it's pretty similar in Spanish. So it means to have a lot of money. Here's the example. Sarah's dad always gives her a big allowance, so she has money to burn. Okay, the pre-listening exercise says, student credit cards are becoming more and more popular, and a number of websites can provide information on comparing your options. With these ideas in mind, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using credit cards, particularly for people your age and in similar financial situation? This exercise is more for youngsters. It's not that you're not young, because you are pretty young, but you already have a job, you already know how to manage your credit card, your debit card, and it's more focused on youngsters, right? Helpful tip: having a credit card is almost essential in our lives today, but be sure to seek advice on what credit card is best for you. In addition, learning how to manage your money and any private college loan you receive takes real planning, so think ahead. Well, anyway, that's a good conversation for the class. You see, just talking about having, whether you would have a credit card or not, if you have one, or if you don't have one, why? Why do you have one? Why you wouldn't have one? That's a good topic. Okay, so basically this is what you have to do just before you listen to the conversation. Then you have one little discussion, one little debate about whether having a credit card, whether it's a good idea to have a credit card or not, etc., etc. So number 2 is the listening exercise. Listen to the conversation by pressing the play audio button, and answer the questions. Press the final score button to check your quiz. So what are we going to do? We're going to click here. You're going to listen to the conversation, and finally, when it's done, Well, you can play it once or twice. Twice is good. 3 times? Not sure. I think you're cheating, but you can do it. So you have to answer these questions. Multiple choice. According to the conversation, which item did the woman not purchase with her credit card? Not purchase. A digital camera, a TV, a stereo. What is one reason to explain why the woman obtained a student credit card? What is one problem not mentioned in the conversation? What does the woman imply about how she plans on resolving her credit card problems? What is the man going to do for the woman to help her manage her money? Okay, so after you finish answering, like clicking on the best response, then you click on final score and it will give you the answers. Of course that, well, I already clicked on it, but it will give you the answer, and it will give you an 80%, a 100%, a 0%, depending on how many you have correct. All right. Now, if you struggled understanding the conversation, there's a part called the quiz script. You click on it, and it will take you to the script. It will take you to the conversation between the man and the woman. Okay? And it will show you new vocabulary. Remember, in English, it's crucial to learn vocabulary every day. How many words do you need to learn every day? Well, they say that between 6 and 8 words. Not only new words, but old words. Remember what I told you about the passive and active vocabulary? Then, there you go. If it's 6, 3 new words, 3 old words. Passive vocabulary that you may know, but you don't use it as often. Okay, so you scroll down, you see the key vocabulary. You can also put the scroll on the word and it will give you the definition, like stuff, miscellaneous things, dough, informal for money, in the world, used to emphasize something you say, etc., etc. And it gives you the definitions after the script. Then there's a vocabulary activity. It says mixed up sentences. We're gonna go real quick here. And they're mixed up. It's like unscramble. You have to unscramble these words. Okay, to buy stuff, a lot of dough, has with his credit card. He has to buy. No, he has a lot of dough to buy stuff with his credit card. Period. He has a lot of dough to buy with his credit card. Or he has a credit card to buy. No, let's see. Yes, correct. Your score is 100%. So you see, and it gives you feedback. And if it's not right, let's say that we do this. Let's see. My God, it's not working. Okay, like this. It's going to say, sorry, try again. This much of your answer is correct. He. So only he is correct. Right. So it provides feedback, which is good. Right, and we go back. And there's a multiple choice and short answer questions. Like she's always buying a lot of stuff, product, dough. You cannot buy dough. Well, you can, but the informal way for money is dough, so you can't. Stuff. Correct. And so on. And then you click next. Right? Let's go back. Sentence and vocabulary matching. And then you have to match the words with the sentence. All right. So let's say that I am here and it's pretty confusing. Let's go back to the quiz, to the first page. The exercises are here at the end. You see? This is the beginning, what I explained before. The audio, the exercise, your score, And here are all the exercises that I was telling you about. Multiple choice, text completion quiz. Then the post listening, which is the final part. A few decades ago, getting a credit card was somewhat difficult and almost impossible for students with no credit history. Now, many students have their own. However, finding the best card is often difficult. What do you think are the dangers of having a credit card? Share your comments by recording your own ideas below. So this is what we're gonna do. When you finish the whole thing, you're going to answer this question, but you're gonna record it on your phone, and then you're gonna send me this audio. How? Via WhatsApp. Okay? The online investigation is something we're gonna do later. Okay? So I guess this is it. This is how you use this website. So if you have any questions, please contact me, and I'll see you next time. Right? Bye-bye.